Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to create a faucetpay account and worldwide. So, if you want to get, if you want to earn money in the internet, you have to create a faucetpay account. And after this video, I will create another video about how to earn money in faucetpay account. So come on to your Chrome browser, and first I have one request to please subscribe the channel. And first you have to your Chrome browser, come on to your Chrome browser and search for Node Search. I will put that link in the description. You have to sign up to, I'll put link in the description. So I have to earn, and when you click on that description link, so please click on the description link, you will have to redirect it to this page, and you have to click on those three dots, and click on sign up and enter your username, email address, repeat password. So I have to put that. I will skip the video. After I have put my details, and click on I'm not a robot, and select a fire hydrant and verify, and click on sign up. Your password do not match, so update a password. So after I have put my details again, and click on I'm not a robot and palm trees and verify. So I have filled the captcha and sign up. After you click on sign up, that username is in use, so I have put to another username. So my account was successfully created, and please confirm your email address before you log in. So I have to come on to my email is come. You can see here faucetpay, confirm your email at faucetpay. So I have to come to Gmail and faucetpay and confirm link. So after put my details in login page and click on sign in. That's 2FA challenge. So that's 2FA challenge. They have sent me email. I have come to my Gmail and click on this and copy that and copy and paste it on there in the code, paste, and log in me in, and so that's our faucetpay account have been created. So that's all for this video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.